Is the house.
So this is easy to do, y'all. So we don't even have to bake or do anything.
Nope.
Just go and get you a house and we're gonna make this big mansion, the house that you always wanted.
That's right. The gingerbread house.
Welcome back. And if you're new to my channel is about entrepreneurship, motivation, and cooking. So welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, or if you like this video. So today, yeah, you see I got my little festive Mrs. Claw hat on. I hope y'all like it, what y'all think, what you think. But this video is gonna be kind of more of a throwback. Since the holidays are coming, I thought it would be cool to do a video or some videos that I've done in the past. And one was creating a gingerbread house. And I never had done a gingerbread house before. So you'll be able to see how I made the gingerbread house. I had a couple friends come over to show me how to make a gingerbread house. And so it was really, really fun. And then I have another one for like little appetizers or hors d'oeuvres, whatever, you know, while you're cooking your meal, they can snack on these hors d'oeuvres that I'm going to show you, or these dips or whatever that I'm going to show you in the video clip. So make sure you stay and watch these videos. Comment, tell me how you liked them, subscribe, you know, and happy holidays. I'm getting really excited for Christmas. Usually what I do is I'll pretty much just chill, have a good meal, and relax, and, you know, start reflecting on the new year. So yeah, check it out. Love y'all. Hey y'all, this is Chef Shay, and today I am going to learn how to do a gingerbread house with my sister Troy from Another Mother. She's here today to show me how to make a gingerbread house because I've never made one before. So stay tuned.
Okay, so I brought a Trader Joe's gingerbread house kit, and we are going to open this and show Chef Shay how to decorate a gingerbread house.
So we have candies,
powdered sugar, which we're gonna make our royal icing with, which is basically the glue of the house. Gummies. A little piping bag that we will put the icing in. And ooh, extra sprinkles.
We love sprinkles.
And here is the house.
So this is easy to do, y'all. So we don't even have to bake or do anything.
Nope.
Just go and get you a house and we're gonna make this big mansion, the house that you always wanted.
That's right. The gingerbread house. I don't know what this is.
Well, we're gonna find out.
Ooh, it feels exciting. It's a surprise. It's a little...
Oh, we have a pet.
And people.
So these are the people. We have a little doggy and we have a person. Mom and dad. And
Grandpa.
Okay,
so what we have our royal icing made up, that's basically the glue for our house, and then we're going to use it to hold the structure together. So you're gonna line the edges of the front of the house.
okay, hopefully I did this nice and pretty for you guys.
This part doesn't actually have to be pretty because you're really just needing to
Okay, bear with me, y'all.
stick together. Christmas decorations.
And this is a
gingerbread house.
German house.
Yes.
Not an American house, y'all.
All right, there we go. Now you can come up and line this other side. I'll kind of hold it for stability. And whenever I do these kits, I always end up making extra royal icing.
Okay.
But I think that might be because I was doing it with my young kids and they were eating more of the icing than...
Yeah, so how did they like it? How did they like doing gingerbread? Is it a tradition in your family?
It is. They loved it. We would invite friends over, and I would just give them extra bowls of candies and all the icing they wanted so they could, you know, decorate their houses however they wanted. Okay.
So am I gonna put some up here?
Yeah, now we can start adding, but what you may want to do is change the tip of the icing.
Okay, so now I'm going to line, ooh, well.
You might want to stick right on top of the actual, yeah.
Okay.
And this is where you can really start to get into the decorating portion. Make it almost look like it's a snow-capped house. And when you have these, the tips for your bag really help because then you can kind of make little stars and fun little decorations. Beautiful.
You're just
saying that, Troy.
I'm not. I love it. And I'll tell you, I am not a decorator.
Okay, me either.
My boys have had many birthday cakes that, you know, look like blobs, but they taste good.
They taste good. That's all that matters.
Look at it. And so now you can use that. We can add candies to the top before it dries, or
So
whatever you want to do.
What kind of candy do you think we should do?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't.
There's no wrong way. There is no wrong way. Would you stop
My assistant and Troy are having it out about my ginger family cake, bread house or whatever, gingerbread house. They are saying this is the wrong way.
You know what? And actually I can see Shay being a purist and wanting to like decorate the tree like it's a Christmas tree, you know? But this tree is not gonna stay there unless we put some icing in there. So
The icing
you could
is always the glue, y'all.
It is.
Next year when I do this segment again, I'm gonna be a
She's gonna
pro.
practice.
Yeah, I'll
She'll
practice.
practice beforehand.
Exactly. So we'll put some. Where do we put the?
Yeah, that'll
icing?
work.
Oh, on the
Because I mean,
side.
I'm
Okay.
looking at how this is sitting, so yeah, probably some along the edges because it's really kind of sitting on the top there. And I'm pretty sure at this point in decorating, my boys were just using their fingers because there was
Okay.
so much icing everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yep. Pretty much how it worked.
Yeah, this is kind of messy.
Let's see if it's definitely messy. See if we can make that stick. Make it. Where do you think the
Mom
people
and
need to be?
Dad
I know. I've never had one with people before, I must say. And the dog. I mean, seriously.
Are they gonna? I can't get them on there, Troy. I need some help here. They're not. They're not staying on the house.
Can I slide this
Yeah,
back a
go
little
ahead.
for you? Okay, oh, we're gonna lose the tree. We might need some in the back.
We're losing the tree here.
Okay.
Because we're losing the tree.
The tree is coming down.
Coming down. I don't want it to hit parsley or the old grandpa. You have to have patience with this.
You do.
I don't know if I don't know if my kids are
Actually,
going to do gingerbread house.
what you need is you gotta leave perfectionism at the door.
Okay.
That is the real ticket.
Because I'm like, they
Yeah.
say, Mommy, I want this. I don't know about that. I'll send it down to Troy. Because this seems like arts
You
and crafts
just-
day.
You just let them have fun with it. Okay, what if we tip some frosting on the tips of the gummies
I guess
in
we
the
don't
back
have-
of the
I
tree
guess we
to
don't have
make
any.
it stand up.
We have a grandpa. You know what? This is not a. This is a woman. This is probably not grandpa.
Is this Hansel and Gretel?
Maybe. I think this is
Is
a woman.
she- is
now
she
that
the
I'm
witch?
looking, I think this is a grandmother. Or is it a grandfather?
Is she the witch?
Because I don't know. I don't know if it's
I'm
a grandfather.
confused.
I don't know if it's a grandmother. I don't know what it is, but I'm
Look.
gonna say grandfather and then the husband and wife and
Yes.
the dog.
That makes you feel better.
Okay, so where are we
All
gonna
right.
put them? Do we need to put some?
Yes, they need some snow to stand in, I think, because they're not going to stand up otherwise.
Does that work?
Let's see.
I wouldn't win the holiday baking challenge or gingerbread challenge. But this doesn't look too bad for beginners.
That's right.
Ooh.
Oh.
Is she too heavy? She's eating too many cookies.
And as the icing dries, it definitely
then it
stands
sticks like
better.
a glue.
Yeah. But we just got to make sure it stands before it dries. No, Mama. Stand up. Maybe
Do I need to put some more?
Maybe.
Or just wait until it dries?
Let's see. The dog feels more stable just because it's got two. Okay, your sprinkles are actually sticking better.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we need some
We can get it
red
some Christmas
sprinkles.
decoration.
I can't believe you guys left the sides bare.
Okay, what else do you want us to add? Oh, now that's the other thing, and this we're making dots
Or
on the house.
flowers or whatever these.
Oh, look how pretty they are.
Yeah, see? And then we're gonna put some gold or something. We're gonna put some
Ooh,
beads.
I like it.
This is a rich person's house.
They have pearls on their house. Can't see the white ones.
I'm just putting stuff on so we have more decoration.
In here. I guess because our hands are warming it in the back. The best part is all the spoilage.
I know, that's my favorite part. Is
So I hope you guys had a fun watching me and Troy put this together and Troy teaching me how to do that, so I really appreciate it. It's really easy. This was a German Hexenhaus that we've learned. And so I have like a mansion, you know, I have the dog and the family. This is supposed to be a star and my presents, and I have rich people, you know, looking like this is supposed to be art, and, you know, 14 karat gold and pearls on their house. And over here we have Picasso art. So yeah, we have a dope gingerbread house. And you know what? It's really, really easy to do. So I really appreciate you, Toy, coming and helping me and teaching me how to do this. Now I'm gonna get really creative next year and do this with my niece. And when I decide to have kids, do this with my kids. So thank you.
Hey, you did a great job, Shay. Thank you for inviting me.
Chef Shay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make two dips, a smoked salmon dip and a crab dip, using my DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. So stay tuned for this video. Okay, so now we're getting ready to start the crab dip. So these are the vegetables that will go into our crab dip. We have a red pepper, a jalapeno pepper, a green pepper, and some celery. Now I'm getting ready to start cutting up the vegetables for our crab dip here. So now we've completed cutting up all of our vegetables. And so now we're getting ready to make our base for our crab dip using DivineKuizine remoulade sauce and some softened cream cheese. Now we've got all well combined our remoulade sauce and our cream cheese into our crab dip mixture. So now we're getting ready to add some fresh lemon, some smoked paprika, and parsley. Now we're getting ready to start the smoked salmon dip. Okay, so now we're gonna take our smoked salmon and put it in our mixing bowl. We're gonna kind of shred it up, or get it into fine bite pieces here a little bit. It's just easier to work with.
Okay, now we're gonna add our ingredients to this. So we have some capers. We have some green onions. We have a little bit of honey for sweetness. Just a tad. And then we have our remoulade sauce, our DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. And then we're just gonna mix all this up. Okay, so now I'm gonna get ready to add some fresh lemon to this dip. And some fresh parsley. Okay, y'all, so now we have completed both of our dips, our salmon, smoked salmon dip, and our crab dip using our DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. Don't forget to subscribe to my website at DivineKuizine.com.